Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you add shipping address to your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add this shipping address, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening the Bitget application, just simply tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Now, after tapping into there, you will get to see your profile. Simply select your profile, and after selecting your profile, you will get this option of shipping address directly. Just simply tap to shipping address and you can choose many options from this section. You can just simply have to enter your shipping address into this section. Just simply enter that and you can customize the user recipient into here. Then you can add optional remarks from this section. You can leave it, there's no problem. Just simply fill up your shipping address and tap to save button, and this way you can very easily add shipping address into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.